welcome back to my channel. I have a super exciting haul because this is my first ColourPop makeup haul that I ever made, and I'm very excited to try it out. I have heard so many people talk about ColourPop makeup, their liquid lipsticks and the palettes, especially the palettes, and I've never tried it. I don't know why. So I am so excited, guys, that I'm actually going to be showing you what I got. Now, this is all part of the Black Friday sale, so that's why I got excited and got quite a bit of palettes and some other stuff that I want to show you guys. But guys, oh my gosh, it's a good one. So before we begin, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And just so you know, I do post 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And there are times where I post more than 3 days a week, but on average, it is 3 days a week, just so you know. But let's begin. So I have to say, guys, their packaging is amazing. I can definitely see that they put their effort into it. So the box looks like this. It comes like this. I'm trying to see to make sure I'm not showing you like my address, but it looks like this. And right here, I cannot show you because my address is there. I don't want no stalkers. But guys, look at this. It is such a beautiful package. So it is, look at this, guys. It is so beautiful. It does say ColourPop. Now for me, I do love when they do their packaging really cute. It does make me even more excited to open it. And I do think that they did a really great job. And they have wrapped it so nicely. So they do have this wrap like this. And here are the palettes. So I'm going to be showing you everything I got one by one so that way you can see it. Now, I'm not going to be swatching all of these just because I feel like it's going to take way too long to swatch so many of these palettes. What I am thinking of doing, please let me know if you're interested, is maybe doing like swatches of all of these and letting you know what I think of it. I'm also thinking of maybe doing like maybe 3 looks with one palette. Now I know on YouTube there's already a lot of reviews on these, and if you guys love ColourPop, you probably already seen the videos. But if you guys are interested in me doing videos like that, please let me know because I would love to do it. If you guys don't know, I love makeup, I love fashion. That's what my YouTube video is about, and lifestyle and things like that. So yes, let me know. Here are the first 2 palettes. Now I got 2 of them because one of them is going to be a gift for one of my best friends. I got the Lilac Palette. So these are the Monochromatic 9-pan palettes, and I love that. I feel like whoever thought of this is like a genius because I love the fact that the color that is on the palette is the colors that you get in the palette, and I love the fact that it's all in the same lilac family. Obviously, it's a monochromatic palette. It looks like this, and then on the box, it also has like the name of the shadows inside. Now, I don't know about you. For me, I'm not going to be keeping the box, but I do think it's really cute. Like the attention to detail is amazing. And this is why I really love it. I mean, look at this palette, guys. It's a lilac color. And that's what I really love about these is that let's say if you're feeling like wearing a lilac color for that day, you know which one to grab. Like you don't have to look through your palettes and open them. You know this is a lilac color. If you're in the mood for that, you just grab it. And I just think for the aesthetics is actually really beautiful because you can just grab it and there it is, you know? Oh my gosh, I just noticed that I did not put my ring light to its full potential. So I'm really sorry if it was darker than what you guys are used to, but sorry about that. But yeah, it looks like this, and in the back again it tells you the names of the shadows. The cool thing is it also gives you the names inside. So it looks like this, and as you can see, it gives you the names on each one. Like I said, guys, the attention to detail is everything. And one thing I love about it, again, with their packaging, it's amazing. They really think of everything. They put this right here to make sure that the eyeshadow does not crack. And it is a full-size mirror. I'm not going to take this off just because I mean, obviously you guys know it's a mirror, but I don't want to take it off because I don't want to blind you guys. But I love it when they give us a full-size mirror. I always love that. And the thing I also love about this is that this is perfect for travel. So if you want to throw it in your little makeup bag, it fits easily and it's just beautiful. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this color. So this is originally a $12, but on the Black Friday sale, it was only $8.40. So I do think for a palette, like, you can't beat it. It's even cheaper than most drugstore brands out there. Now, a lot of drugstore palettes are like even $20, which is crazy. But this is $8.20. And even for it being $12, it's just an amazing price. Now, moving on to the next palettes, I got these two right here. So I did already try this one on. I do have it on my eyes right now. And I have to say, guys, love it. It's so amazing. It blends amazingly. It's all a hype for a good reason. But again, the same thing. What you see is what you get. And here's the palette. And if I didn't mention, guys, ColourPop, all their makeup is cruelty-free, which is amazing. And here are the colors for the Baby Got Peach. This is so pretty. Like I said, whoever made these palettes are just geniuses. Now, I think they probably have like 20 of these palettes by now. They have come out with so many new palettes in the 9-pan monochromatic that I cannot keep up with it. I don't think I need all of them, obviously. I'm probably going to purchase some more, but this is just beautiful. Look at this. I love it. I did use this on the crease, and then I also used this on the crease to darken it up. I also used it on my lower under eye, and I did mix these two. So I used this one and this one, and then I also used a little bit more to just darken it a little bit more, and I really love it. The only thing I would say is missing is like a highlight color for my brow bone, but again, this is a monochromatic, so it's not meant to have that, if you know what I mean. And honestly, I really don't mind because I do have a single shadow by Wet n Wild that I use all the time, and it's one of my favorite highlight shade. Here is the next one. This is Meant to Be. This is really beautiful. I have nothing like this. I've never had a mint palette. Look at this. It's so beautiful. And here are the names on the back. And let me open it. Another thing I forgot to mention is that if this, like for example, this says it's a mint palette, it will have like a little mint leaf on there. For the Baby Got Peach, it has a peach. And for the lilac, what does it have? For the lilac, it has hearts. Obviously, you guys saw it, but I just wanted to mention that. Looks like this. Here are the names on the back. And look at this, guys. This is so beautiful. You can do so many looks with it. That's why I really love it. It's, you know, obviously a mint color. So you will get a lot of different styles of mint eyeshadow looks. But this is just gorgeous. I cannot wait to show you guys. So, so pretty. I'm going to show you guys quickly just one that it stands out to me. I just can't help myself. So it looks like this. It's so bright. Look at that. Imagine that on my eye right now. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. A long time ago, I did have a mint eyeshadow. It was like a single eyeshadow, but it was so bad. And I do feel like with mint eyeshadow, it's kind of hard to do a good one because, I don't know, maybe it's just hard to do it because it gets chalky. And even with purple eyeshadows, I feel like a lot of purple eyeshadows tend to be chalky. So ColourPop is doing it right, and I did swatch these on my own. I did try these. I did play with them, just so you know. It is an unboxing video, but I could not help myself. I did want to also give you guys like a mini review. And then I also got this one. So this one is the Dream Big, and this is the Monochromatic Palette Volt. So it looks like this, and then I take this out, and look at this, guys, how it opens up. What? So it has 6 palettes, and these are originally $68 for this Volt set, but on the Black Friday sale it was $48. So basically it was $8.40 a piece. Cannot beat it. I just love it. So here's the first one. This is called Main Squeeze, and it looks like watermelon seeds. This is a red monochromatic palette. Again, the names on the back. Now this one I wasn't really sure about just because I've never really used red eyeshadow, but I do want to try it out because I think it's beautiful and I do want to give it a try. Moving on to the next palette is this one right here. This is called Orange You Glad. So it's an orange color palette. Looks like that in the back. And I love the fact that this is plastic. I feel like it's a really great quality. So this I just think is such a beautiful palette. I am really drawn to this one right here. Now, a lot of people, I've heard some people say that they don't like this one because you can't really put it on the eye. I mean, you can, you just got to be careful. I do recommend using like a glitter primer, but I mean, look at that. Let me show you guys. That is so beautiful. I'm always attracted to glitter, even though I don't wear it all that much. And I feel like the only reason why I haven't been wearing like really crazy eyeshadow in my YouTube video lately is because of my baby. Like, for time's sake, I cannot always do a really awesome eye look how I want to. So a lot of times I have to just do a quick eye look and just be done. I'm just excited to try this one out. The next one is one of my favorites. I'm so excited to try this one out. I have never tried any like yellow eyeshadow. So this is called Honey. And this is basically like a yellowish palette. So it looks like this in the back. Obviously the same like the other ones. It gives you the names of the eyeshadows. And then when you open it, so it looks like this. And again, guys, I'm actually drawn to all of these. They're just so beautiful. But when I look at it, I do think this is very wearable. I think this is a really nice shade right here that you can blend it in the crease and make it more like a neutral color. This again, the glitter, I don't know why it just gets me like that. I think it's just so pretty to just put on the middle, just like a little dab in the middle of your eye. Oh my gosh. Let me know if you guys want me to do like makeup tutorials. And just so you guys know, if you hear random noise in the background, it is my baby. She's playing in the playpen. She did wake up, so right now she's good and she's playing with her toys. So I have time to finish this video, but guys, this is just beautiful. I cannot wait to play with this. So there's that one. The next one again is a really unique palette. So this is called Just My Luck. It is a green palette, monochromatic palette. Again, the same thing in the back. It has the name of the eyeshadow. And this is just beautiful. I think these are so pretty because it does take you out of your comfort zone. For those of you guys that are used to using like neutral colors, you can definitely make it more like muted with a touch of green. If you don't want like too much crazy green on your eyes, you can even put it on the lower eye line and, you know, just have a little bit, a pop of green. But I just think this is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this one. The next one is the blue palette, and this one is called Blue Moon. This is so beautiful. This one, a lot of people talked about being one of their favorite palettes, so I was really excited to get this. I don't have a blue eyeshadow palette, and I just think this is perfect. You get every blue that you want in a blue eyeshadow palette. So again, the same thing in the back. It has the name of the eyeshadows. And then it looks like this. Oh my gosh, guys, is that not beautiful? I mean, look at these blues. They're so pretty. And honestly, I cannot wait to wear it. This one I think is really pretty. I'm like really drawn to like shimmery colors, but I think this one will be really pretty as a crease. This one right here. I'm trying not to stab it. And this one right here, I just think it's beautiful. Even that one, like especially that one on the lid, that would be so beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to using this. Now the next palette is this one right here, and it's called It's My Pleasure. Obviously it's a Purp eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks in the back. And here are the colors. This is so pretty. This I'm really excited about just because with purples, I feel like purple eyeshadow is really hard to find, like a really good purple eyeshadow that is not chalky and it's pigmented. And also it has to be easy to blend because a lot of purple eyeshadows that I tried is very chalky. It does not blend well. It looks weird, but I'm really hoping this one does well. A lot of people talked about it as being a really awesome palette, so really have high hopes on this. Again, with ColourPop palettes, I feel like pretty much everybody loves it. I haven't heard anybody talk bad about palettes. I literally dug my finger in there. and messed it up. I still have like eyeshadow in here. Oh my gosh, that is like one of my pet peeves. I can't believe I just did that. So be careful with these, but they are highly pigmented. So there was a lot of color that is still stuck on here that I have to get off, and so sad. But anyway, now last but not least, I also picked up some scrunchies. Now these are velvet scrunchies. I didn't know ColourPop carries these, but guys, these are amazing. So if you guys been watching my videos, you've seen me haul in some velvet scrunchies before. The first velvet scrunchies that I got was from Amazon. They came in like, there were like 60 of them for like $6. And I thought they were good at the moment, but then when I found some at Dollar Tree, oh my gosh, the quality was so amazing. They were a little bit more bigger. The quality and the shine was there, how I like velvet scrunchies to look. So I was so excited, but there were some colors that I wanted to get these in, and they didn't have it at Dollar Tree. They just had some random colors. But guys, oh my gosh, these are so amazing. So these are obviously velvet scrunchies, and I wanted one in the color black. So here's this one in the color black, and this is not even doing it justice. In person they look so much luxurious and beautiful. And then here is the white one. Oh my gosh, look at that shine. It's so beautiful. And then this one in the nude, I just love. You guys, I wear a lot of nude color outfits and neutral colors, and I just think this goes with a lot of the outfits. It's just perfect. If you guys are looking for some really good scrunchies that do not pull your hair, these were on sale for $7. It was originally $10, but for the Black Friday special, it was $7. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. Like I said, please give me some feedback. Let me know, like, what kind of videos you guys want me to do when it has to do with these palettes. Give me some video ideas that you guys want to see. Let me know. I do have some video ideas in mind, but I would really love to hear from you. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you guys are still watching and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.